And the winner of the GT3 RS challenge is... Hey guys, I'm Shannon McIntosh, and this is level 4, the main challenge. We are here at the Hungaroring Ring in Budapest, Hungary, and things are about to get heated up because this is the first time that our participants will encounter the 911 GT3 RS. So let's go get the boys.
Hey guys, are you ready? I have your keys.
First of all, how does it feel to be here?
Pues la verdad que es una sensación increíble porque miro a mi alrededor y no hay muchos paisajes así en el sur de España, que es de donde vengo.
It's like a milestone in my life. I mean, I stepped up a little bit. I can't wait for the next one.
I never expected to be on a real racetrack from an e-sport event or from a race simulator. It's incredible.
C'est extraordinaire, franchement, j'aurais jamais pensé pouvoir être un jour sur le circuit de Hungaroring. C'est quelque chose que... c'est un rêve que je suis en train de vivre, en plus pouvoir conduire des voitures comme la Porsche GT3 RS. Jamais j'aurais pensé pouvoir faire ça.
Alright, so you got a chance to drive the Carrera S. So now we are having GT3 RS in Porsche. First thing that we should be talking about is the steering. It's very precise, very direct. We are having the 4-liter flat-six engine. We have 520 horsepower. We are having 312 kilometers per hour, so very, very fast. Also, we have a lot more downforce, more grip, more performance. So this is of course a big challenge for you to be finding the limits of the car. It will be a good day ahead.
¿Le impone respeto el coche?
Mucho.
Le son est juste magique.
Richtig Bock jetzt Gas zu geben.
I know exactly what they're feeling right now, and the feeling is incredible, and it never, ever, ever gets old.
Yeah! It's like a warp speed.
It's just the beginning though.
Okay guys, practice is over, track is yours now.
Weather conditions are a little bit changing. Just be much smoother with the input of the car and you can manage it without any problems.
I want to try again.
Okay guys, now it's time for competition with a cup simulator behind me. We have here a real cup car.
Et puis gagner une compétition Porsche, c'est juste... ce serait vraiment top, quoi.
Do your best and make your fastest lap time.
It's just one step before you get a race license, and that's the closest thing you can get as a normal person.
It all boils down to this, boys. It has been a long journey.
Pues sería una de las mejores sensaciones que podría tener en mi vida.
And only one of you, the one with the fastest lap, will have the opportunity to go to Barcelona for the Master Cup training.
Maybe it's Barcelona, maybe it's not. I'm the top 4, so that's the biggest step in my life.
So good luck to you. Dominic, you are up first.
To be honest, I don't know if I make it. I'm really glad for the other guys if they make it, but it's still a competition, so it's on.
All the best guys, all the best.
Good luck, guys.
Good luck.
I'm here to win.
C'est vrai que là, on sent un peu plus de pression entre les pilotes, mais voilà, chacun a ses chances et...
Voy a ganar.
Well, you guys, this is it. I got to watch you guys all grow as drivers, and I'm so excited to have seen you progress and improve, and it has been so cool to watch that, and I'm proud of all of you. And I'm really sad that we have to part ways because only one of you is moving on to the next level. And the winner of the GT3 Challenge, the one who is going on to Barcelona for the Master Cup training, is Anto. You guys all did a great job. Congratulations. I'm really excited for you.